This is the St. Johns County Real Estate Auction Report brought to you by Vanta Quality Assets. You can visit our site at www.vantallc.com. Investors welcome. Please view our services at the end of the video. Now, let's go to court. At court, we had 6 properties for sale. First property is case number 093449. I won't bore you with the details. You can see them here. Basically, the high bid 100 means that it went back to the bank. And actually, this is the property right here. And yes, it's been gutted. So, not a very good property. And basically, again, this is what they're asking for. The banner, $125,580. No bidders. Next case, no banner. The property is 101234. Here's the property. Okay, there's no data on this property in the books at all. Very interesting. The closest one is 227 Pine Arbor Circle, but it's actually 223. And kind of looks the same, so I would think it's a 4-bed, 2-bath. That particular property was kind of weird looking it up. Not much details on it. Anyway, plaintiff total was $300,000. No banner. No one wanted it. I wonder why. Next case. Case 102973. 102973. Let's look at that. 102973 is a house here in Wooded Crossings, and it looks very nice. But the house is right here. You can see this is the house, that's the driveway. These are the stats for the property. And the banner was sold at $148,594. Of course, the plaintiff total was $124,1077. So of course the bank wants to make a little bit more money. No bidders, went back to the bank. Next property. Property 121342. 121342. And here it is. This property is a particular house that is right here. Sorry, I yellowed it. I actually highlighted it in Zillow. These are the stats on the house. Plaintiff total was $316. Banner was held at $321. $992, almost $322. Of course, no bidder, and it went back to the bank. Next home actually sold to a very smart bidder. Congratulations to him. Property 121771, a very good year. So it is a condo. It's a part of a triplex, if you will. Property itself, the stats. Plaintiff total was $138,836.22, and the banner was held at $66,762, and the high bidder was $66,763, $1 over. Excellent bidding. Excellent bidding. Next case, 130126. That would be right here. Sophia Terrace, and this is the property here. Again, sorry, I kind of highlighted it, but you can see the property here. It's in Palencia. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 4,000 square feet. Here are the stats. Staggering. Plaintiff total is $590, $377, $39. The banner was held at $599. $953.60. Where do they get that? 60 cents. And the high bid was 100. Again, it went to the bank. And that's all she wrote, folks. And in other news, remember that trend line I was telling you about, the housing index, that resistance line I was telling you about last week? Well, it's being met today. Interestingly, if this resistance line is broken and this head and shoulder pattern completes, we're going to have a precipitous decline. Basically, we're going to have a very interesting situation at hand, because at this point the 30-year fixed rate has been going down, 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 and this is a 1 month chart of the 30-year rate. Here's a 6-month chart. As you can see, 30-year actually breached this area, this particular resistance line here. Back to the housing index. I superimposed the chart of BlackRock. This is a 3-year chart of the housing index here depicted in brown, and BlackRock here depicted in black. As you can see, they're going lockstep with each other all the way up to this point, where BlackRock kind of flatlines and the housing index is forming somewhat of a head and shoulders pattern, although the right shoulder does not look that well formed. And why do I bring this out? Because Bloomberg mentions that BlackRock Think says housing structure more unsound now, because it depends more on government-backed mortgage companies such as Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. I'll leave you at that. It's a good read. Please note that we have a flat fee auction bidding service where we act as your proxy in court. And until next time, bid well, hats off, no fear.